Have you tried a quick and easy smoky eye that doesn't look scary? Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. Most importantly, tuning things down so you don't scare anybody. Without wasting much of our time, let's just dive straight into it.
Boy, I've been watching you.
I'll be starting with using my gel liner to line my waterline very fast. There is a hack to this thing. In case you don't have a gel liner, you can easily use your black eyeshadow. Just scoop out a little and put your setting spray in it. Then use your flat brush to pick it and line your waterline. Okay. So I want you to quickly have this at the back of your mind that this eyeshadow tutorial that I want to create doesn't need an eyeshadow primer for it. So I'll be using my black lipstick for my eyeshadow primer here. I will be applying it on my crease so I can be able to blend it out properly. If you don't want to use your black lipstick for it, you can easily use your gel liner for it and you achieve the same result. Using a black eyeshadow from my Very Good palette, I'm going to be setting the lipstick that I applied initially, the same way we set concealers with powder to prevent it from creasing. And this helps to mattify the base. Using a fluffy brush with no stain on it, with no product, I'm going to go ahead to blend out the black eyeshadow I placed on my eyes to make it more seamless in order to avoid harsh lines. And using a flat brush, I'm going to smudge out my waterline without taking any eyeshadow, just with what I've applied initially. With a brown eyeshadow from my Very Good palette, I'm going to soften the edges. Please make sure when you are doing this, use a fluffy round brush to blend it out properly to achieve a good result. So I won't be using a black eyeshadow on my lower line. Instead, I'll be using the brown one. Remember, the goal is to make it not to look scary. Using a brown one will make it more softer and tone everything down. When doing this, make sure you use a flat brush. Then from the same Very Good palette, I'll be placing a pop of highlighter on the tip of my eyes. It also helps to tone down the look. Then for mascara, I'll be using this mascara from Kiss Beauty. This mascara is very pigmented. It's really wonderful in case you haven't tried it. For the eye look, I won't be using a false lashes because I think it appears heavy for this particular black smoky eye look. You can though if you want, it's optional, but for me, I want something light and nice, so I won't be using it. And here is the complete look. This is a quick and easy tutorial with just a couple of eyeshadows. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I do. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share and drop your lovely comments, and always turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Please do well to always check the description box for my social handles in case if you want to follow. Bye!